Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I got these beachy waves using the Duvolle far infrared hair straightener. So this is the hair straightener that I'm gonna be using today and reviewing here for you guys. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sylvia. This actually might look like it's my natural hair, but it's not. Trust me, it is far from my natural hair. I have really frizzy hair and it just looks really crazy when I don't style it. So I cannot live without a hair straightener. Every time I style my hair, I use a hair straightener no matter what. So yeah, I was really excited that Duvolle were kind enough to send me their new hair straightener to try out, and I've been trying it out for over a week now and I really like it. It came in a really nice packaging. It was all black and I just really like the packaging of this hair straightener. It's really sleek and it kind of just has like this rubberized exterior on the outside of the hair straightener, which it just feels really nice whenever you hold it in the hands, and also it makes it easier while you're styling your hair. And it just has like a really slim design, which I really like because it just feels pretty lightweight. It just feels like really good quality. It has 3D floating plates. It also has tourmaline infused ceramic plates, so when you turn it on, actually see like a red line on the middle of the hair straightener, which is so freaking cool. I've never seen that in a hair straightener. So the infrared technology uses gentler heat that deeply penetrates the hair and evenly distributes the heat. I live in really humid weather, so when I use the straightener, my hair doesn't get as frizzy as when I use other hair straighteners. It leaves my hair feeling smooth and shiny. So sometimes I don't really need to add any other additional products to my hair when I use the hair straightener. So it's like super simple to use. To change the temperature, which it has 5 different temperature options and it goes up to 450. I always use it at the highest setting. So to change the temperature, you just press the power button. So once it's at the last temperature, which is 450, to turn it off, you just press it one time and the blue light turns off, and that's how you know the straightener is off. So it's just very simple. It has lights so you can see when it's on. Literally it just has one button and that's it, and that's the only one that you need to use. The cord is also really long. It's 8 feet, so you can definitely use it like in a hair salon or when you're doing a client's hair. It swivels so it doesn't get tangled. Alright guys, so I already did one side of my hair, so I'm going to do the other side on camera for you guys. And I first start off with the front and I straighten my baby hairs out because they're just very curly and frizzy. So as you guys can see, the straightener is really good. It just straightens my hair so fast. So I just go through the front of my hair a couple times with the hair straightener and I get my baby hairs because those are the most curly and frizzy. You first want to start with getting an inch or inch and a half of hair and start at the root, but not too close because you don't want to burn your head. Then you want to use the straightener to curl the hair inward, let go, then go under the curve and curl outward or away from your face. So curl towards your face, move down, and then curl away from your face. Towards the ends, I do small quick motions to create small waves and leave the ends straight. Then I use a clip to put the hair away from my face, and you just keep grabbing sections of the hair and continue to do the same motions. You want to curl inward at the root, move down, and then curl outward or away from your face. And if you mess up, it's okay, just go over it and do it again, but don't do it too many times or you can damage your hair and put too much heat on it. But yeah, you just keep going and it's gonna take a little bit of practice, but it's actually pretty simple. You just press the straightener together, curl outward, and then curl inward.
There is a golden picture frame hanging upon empty wall, haunting the hollow of my brain, painting pictures while we run underneath the dying light. My braided hair comes all undone. chasing the sun into the night. Beautiful and burning, we are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. We are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. You see me through a filtered lens, fading the edges of my flaws, reminder of my innocence before it got lost so deep in the forest of our youth. We carved our names upon a tree inside a heart that spoke the truth. I still hear it beat. We are wild and wonderful.
All right, so once I finished, I took out all the clips and then I just run my fingers through my hair a little bit. I don't use a brush, and I kind of just straighten the ends a little bit just to make them a little bit more straight. And then I grab a little bit of hair oil and pass my fingers through my hair just to get a little bit of the frizz or any flyaways out of the hair. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I really like how my hair looks like this. I know it takes a little bit more effort, a little bit of practice, but once you practice it and you do it more and more, you start to get the hang of it. And if you mess up, it's okay, you just go over it again. So the original price of this hair straightener is $195, but the company gave me a 70% off code for you guys. The code is SilviaMBeauty. I will put it in the description box below along with the link to the hair straightener, and you would get it for only $58. So I think that's like really good price for like a really good quality hair straightener. And just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored. They just sent the hair straightener to me for free so that I can try it out and review it here for you guys. The code is not an affiliate code either, so I don't make any money off of the code SilviaMBeauty. I did ask them to give me a code for you guys. You guys are my subscribers and you guys are watching my video, and I want to give something back to you guys for watching this video. Really good hair straighteners nowadays are over $100, so I would definitely like jump on this deal if you are looking for a new hair straightener. I do really like this one a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.